Alright, here we go. Dragon Legends, Aqua Gem. Get started the free games. The wife's coming over to push the button. Wait on her. It's the Century Casino. Welcome. Please subscribe.
Oh, you ain't pushed it yet?
You want to push my button? Push my button. Oh, ouch, ouch. Good gracious. I've never seen 4 of them. That's $4.
Oh, okay.
But you only got one time. That's all right, though. That'll work. Come on. There we go. One time. $5. Oh, I just saw the major.
Minor went by.
The minor? Come on, baby.
Major just went by.
Drop one. Drop one. Yep, there we go. You need 3 more. Come on. Got 2. We need 1 more. 1 more. Unlock. There you go. Oh, got 2 of them. Drop 2 of them. 2 of them. 10. Oh, God dang, all of them are showing up in there. Look at that. That's not good. Yeah, dude, oh, God. All right, come on, big number. Oh, there we go, $6. Come on. I swear I see that major go by every time. It's like you can stop it. Oh, not one dropped. Oh, my God. Come on. There we go. 2 more to unlock it all the way. I've never unlocked it all the way. Come on there. Come on now. Save us. Save us. Save us. Oh, we got 1.
Where's the last 10?
Yeah, I think it's... I don't think it gives you any. No, that was it. Damn it. Oh, man. Are you kidding me? Woo! Oh, good Lord. All right, $46. We gotta get, yeah. Woo! Nice graphics, though. Century Casino, please subscribe. We're having fun. There we go. Gonna do a couple backups. It was acting pretty good before we hit that. We did get a couple more. Oh! Oh, this could be good. No. Oh. Got the freaking mall. That's a multipliers in there. Right? Toot, toot. Oh. Alright, we're gonna go here. See what we're doing. Can't hardly reach a damn thing. Let's change it, Dina. You got it? Oh. Alright, Heidi. 15 spins. Oh, you got all your wilds. They stay, don't they? Good job. Oh. Come on. Come on, Hans. Pretzels. Nice. Come on, man. We need wilds. Whole bunch of wilds. And 10 games left. Alright, Hans all the way across. Go, baby, go. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh yeah, there we go. You gotta let it do the at the end it's gonna say something, let it say it. Come on, baby. Hans, oh! One more, here we go. It's all right. There we go. There we go. What's he say?
Extraordinary.
Extraordinary. Yeah, good job. 200. Woo! $1.50 bet. That's what we're talking about. Thank you. Please subscribe. Oh, goodness. That was a nice one. All right. Yeah, don't play it too much. All right, 2 more here. And then we're at, oh, need a multiplier in there. Oh, wow. Damn it. Taking it down. You gonna help me out here? All right. Thank you. Please subscribe.